Hello friends, welcome back to CIVIL3D Pro Tips and Tricks YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can create profile from file. For that, you need to have chain edges and elevation values. So here in Excel, you can see I have a chain edges 0, 185, 945 and the elevation against is 74, 76 and 39. So now how I can enter those values into Civil3D to create my profile. For that, first you need to create a text file with the values. So here in Excel, you can type command concatenate, and if you type con, it will come. Just click that. Click your station, then comma, double quotation mark, space, double quotation mark, and your elevation, and click enter. Drag this. Now copy these values and create a text file. So I create one text file and paste my values here and just save my file on desktop. Now close this. Go to your Civil3D. In profile, here you can see the option create profile from file. So click here and click your file, select your file, click open. Now here it gives you the option to choose your alignment. I mean which alignment you want those profile. So you can select that alignment, you can give the name, you can select the style as well and click OK. So you can see that my profile is created based on those values from the Excel sheet. So by this you can create your profile from file. Thank you for watching this video.